Hi, I'm Neil, and welcome to Wise Guides, where we give your team our best practices so you can get the most out of using SiteOwl. In today's video, we're going to explore how you can finish out your projects using SiteOwl. Finishing out projects can seem like a daunting task because understanding what's been completed versus what's still left can require going through numerous spreadsheets, going through numerous field and project notes, and more importantly, occupying your project teams with calls to understand their progress. However, with SiteOwl, because we automate the progress of each device and location, you can seamlessly get a simpler and easier solution to this. So now when I look at my project that's nearing completion, to understand what's left so that I can align my teams accordingly, I can simply click on the punch list. So with one click of a button, I can understand all the devices that are still pending. From here, I can group by device type or by system type so that I make sure that the correct individuals who need to be on site to do something like cabling are on site, and more importantly, they have the correct materials. They can also click through each of these to understand where the location for each device is. This now allows them to strategically make a plan to execute the rest of the project instead of aimlessly wandering the site, hoping that they have the correct materials and people on site to finish the project. To get more granular, I can go back to the project card and click on the Project Progress button. Here, it gives me an idea of everything that's been done, but split out by device type. This allows me to also focus efforts so that if there are specific devices that require specific personnel, I can click through and have them work on it. This again allows me to know the location and history behind it so that I have the correct material on hand, avoiding extra truck rolls and, more importantly, duplication of effort. This was a SiteOwl Wise Guides video series where we explore SiteOwl best practices. Thank you for joining us.